House of Light at the Edge by Atsuhiro Nakata in Osaka, Japan. Indirect lighting around the periphery softly envelopes the entire house, revealing a unique existing frame. Renovation of a second-hand condominium with a slanted roof shape and reinforced concrete hanging walls, which are characterized by existing frames. As a private residence, it was designed according to the family's lifestyle. While making the most of the characteristics of the existing frame, such as attaching the ceiling along the roof shape and reinforcing concrete hanging walls, the space is unified by using materials that match the color tone. Indirect lighting is applied to the outer periphery of the house, and the entire house is illuminated through a slanted ceiling, connecting each space. In the planning, the existing floor plan with small rooms was dismantled, and a large living and dining room where families gather was placed on the south side. The plan was to create a private space, such as a bedroom and study, that would block the line of sight, making it an integrated space with the living room, but with a gentle distance.